In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up and use call screening on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So call screening is a feature that allows an AI assistant to answer a phone call and ask the person on the other end who they are and why they're calling. So you'll also be able to see the response of the other person in real time. So if you choose to go through with a phone call, you can do so, or you can just choose to hang up. So the first step when it comes to setting up call screening is to go ahead and open the phone app. From here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. In the call settings menu, you're then going to go ahead and select call screening, and then you're going to tap on the toggle like so to turn it on. You'll then be prompted to download a language pack. This is so that if the other person on the other end is speaking, say for example, in Chinese, then the AI assistant will also be able to translate the Chinese language or whatever language it is. So go ahead and just download the language packs to ensure that you can use call screening to the best of its abilities. Once the language pack has been successfully downloaded, you can even come and see it's been downloaded. If you want to add more, just select it and download more language packs that you wish to use. Then from here, now whenever you receive a phone call from an unknown number, all you need to do is simply select Call Assist and then choose Call Screening. From here, the AI assistant will then start asking the other person on the other end questions such as who they are, why they're calling, and all they need to do is simply say their name and it should appear here, and you'll be able to go ahead and either choose to answer the call or you just tap on this X button to reject it. Thanks for watching. If you're curious as to how to use any more features on your S26, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.